are at this place called Seven Sisters, and as you can see, I have like a plate full of it's like the most yummy sushi that you could find. And Ayush, would you want to taste the sushi and tell me how it tastes? And this is some Japanese udon noodles. So if you could just put some, right? Yes, no, that's fine. Okay. So it's like, Ayush, can you take a taste of it and tell us how it tastes, my sweetheart? Yeah. Yes, Ayush, you are on camera, sweetheart. How do you like it? Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
An 8 on 10.
Okay, and take a bite of this, my sweetheart. Okay. Okay.
It's good. Dip it fully, dip it. I think it's a 6 on 10.
This is very unique. It's a different kind of sushi. And as for these Japanese udon noodles, these noodles are good. I mean, they're very spicy. Yeah. So I'm so glad I came here. I think it's a place that everyone must visit. One of the nicest places I've seen in Hyderabad in a long time, especially for Japanese food. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.